pagkayang police, military, mali o tama sila, pag maghingi sila ng tulong, tutulungan ko. I am talking as a lawyer. Kasi malapit ako sa military pati police. And I still believe until now that without yung binigay na suporta ng military pati police dito sa akin sa Davao, I could not have succeeded in transforming Davao to what it is now. A beautiful city. Dito patayan doon, patayan doon, patayan dito. Ngayon, nung na-mayor ako, nag-usap kami.